born and raised in Tanzania.
Period.
Bayisuko sakho.
Mamcha umntango uchiwo ngcono ka usakhelo khakhaba. Dayibhalelwa oqala ibhalelwa because it was my first time. Ngoba man uthi man thini le mic.
Sure.
No, don't worry. Sibhala into nansi but when iculo hlobo ndithi icule ngayo.
Sure.
So it was a learning curve, you want?
Yeah.
So but now I swempo. Dlakaza ngoku.
Okay.
Of course, darling.
Yeah. Which imithandazo neighbors ayishuthela kanye zoyi4.
Asas.
Zobona.
Zobona phambili.
So
okay.
That one uthini when you wake up mhlambi and you are trending uxelelwa ngabantu kuba vuka uya trend.
Ewe.
And then what do you feel?
First one ndenze ndoni. The first thing ndenze can post emasizolo. Post ndoni ngibana 10.
Yeah.
But ngoku bakose uthena awu yathena.
So used to love.
Yekele. Izawudlula.
Which I think the first time was it the harbor, the first time we trend.
Harbor. Oh, that story. Abantu abanandlebe but ke.
Yeah.
Kwabuzwa.
Yeah.
But Londo it's empty kula coastline le ase yanduka. Ndikuna ke ewe kakade iharbor ayikho pha.
Okay.
And then people thought about it. Iharbor ayikho Islanda. If iharbor was there, it was going to be more gorgeous.
Okay.
Do you get me?
Yeah.
And I did not have I don't have time to explain myself, son, because I know what I meant.
Yeah.
But when I told him, did I iharbor? Ayikho iharbor. Ayikho mdase. Ayikho tu.
Yo.
Ayikho tu iharbor.
Sometimes iyakwazi ndophusheka but narrative be wrong. Ubona ba hey last time
but ndiyaqonda mayipushe.
Okay.
Akho ngxaki.
Okay.
Mayipushwe ndabizwa ngohaba. Akoma okay now. Ndabizwa ngohaba till this day abantu basenza i-joke la nqoma it's a bit boring now. Can we get something?
Once in time ngome one day ndiziyeke ezinye ndingazimameli and then until so I listened to Zoe4 and then aqonda I'm not tempo. That's an amazing song.
Awukwazi ngayimamela.
That's a beautiful.
Kayi1 awukwazi mamela kayi1.
Awukwazi mamela kayi1. It so like a good background. La ngoma ukubona khona picture you. What's on your mind? Kuvela. Yeah, it's an amazing song.
Thank you, man.
The whole body of work is
Thank you.
Okay.
Indoda is always wrong. I think about Indoda is always wrong, guys. So nyani ke blocked him. Indoda itenale niphorayo.
Yeah.
Nyani after into aso, I think it was a month, few weeks before niphume.
Yeah.
Few days before niphume. DM like sorry about behavior yam.
Okay.
Ngeke ansakhuluma saxamelene ndoni.
Yeah.
Banqoma. Saxaxala sala because selifuna ndashushu. So nyanke event ka Cairo, we went there and then I met up with him and then from that day we decided to say it is what it is.
Make it official.
Yes. Be more kind to each other.
Definitely.
You know, because we don't know nini. Just because on social media doesn't mean whether we are happy. Yeah, but just to be more kind. Be less on social media because iyaragisa.
Yeah. Take some time off.
Because if you take it personal, uzawugowa.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Take time to yourself, meditate, pray. Because if you're not happy with yourself, you're not going to be happy with the next person.
Yeah.
So I just want law on the way too.
Okay. Okay.